Sometimes all it takes is one opportunity, one connection to change the course of your business. Hi, my name is Jēnna Reese, and I am a founding member of the Bo Collective and the CEO and founder of Connect Centric, a woman-owned IT solutions provider. And I'm here to share with you my journey at the FDA and how one connection led to and set in motion the growth and success of my company. In 2013, Connect Centric won its very first federal contract, and it was with the FDA, and it all started with an email. And that one email led to a series of meetings and introductions where Connect Centric had the opportunity to win a contract providing data entry personnel to the Office of Pediatric Therapeutics. Since that very first contract, our expertise and service offerings have expanded significantly to include supporting the Office of Digital Transformation, where we work hand in hand and closely with FDA's technical teams on projects ranging from legacy system modernizations to FedRAMP solution implementations. We now offer comprehensive services in data analytics, automation, and customer experience technology. We provide software licenses and renewals, IT governance and workflow design, deliver cloud services in AWS. And our FedRAMP consulting services ensure the highest standards in security and compliance. As we look to the future, we remain dedicated to supporting FDA's mission. And although I cannot be there today in person, I would like to leave you with a reminder. Whether you are the connector or you're looking for that connection, be intentional, because sometimes all it takes is one. I'd like to say thank you to everyone at the FDA for making it a priority to provide meaningful and impactful contract opportunities to women-owned businesses like mine.